Welcome all or welcome back, dear students. Today we are going to learn the two aspects of this chapter. One is called the medical termination of pregnancy. The second one is called sexual transmitted disease. Then what is MTP? Medical termination of pregnancy. The intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy by a medical practitioner before the fetus gets full term is called MTP or medical termination of pregnancy or induced abortion. What is MTP? The intentional or voluntary termination of pregnancy by a medical practitioner before the fetus gets full term is called MTP. It is said up to 12 weeks of pregnancy. It is said up to 12 weeks of pregnancy or first trimester. Later it becomes riskier. The MTP plays major role in control of population. But you shouldn't take it granted that by doing the MTP you can be able to control the population. Control the population. Around 40 to 50 million of MTPs are doing around the world every year. MTP looking at certain reasons, certain facts. The MTP was legalized. It is legalized in India through the act called MTP or Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. The MTP is legalized looking at certain reasons, certain facts through the law called as Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971. With strict norms, with strict regulations, it is introduced. Because India, it is observed in India that high level of female feticide is reported. So it also observed the trend that majority of MTPs are doing or performed by legally by unauthorized quacks. It is not safe and also it is lethal. It is not safe. So one more trend also observed in India that by the medical practitioner, the technique called amniocentesis is misused. It is a technique for determination of sex of a baby by determining that the female feticide rate is tremendously increasing, and it is also reported in India. Then you may ask me, then why it is legalized in India? What are the reasons? When it is illegally misused or it is misused illegally, they are doing a lot of crimes. Then why it is legalized in India? Because of some reasons. The first reason, although it is to get rid of unwanted pregnancies, the first thing why the MTP is allowed, it is because if the grave injury occurred, if the grave injury to the physical and mental health of a pregnant woman or the child, the grave injury that occurred to the physical or mental health of the pregnant woman or the child, the MTP is legalized or it is allowed. If the pregnancy caused due to the rape, if the pregnancy or unwanted pregnancy developed or occurred by the failure of contraceptives, then only in these conditions only the MTP is allowed. So it is essential that effective counseling is needed about unprotected fetus and also also risk behind illegal of medical termination process or abortions. It is a strict or effective counseling to the people is required about unprotected coitus and the risk behind illegal abortions. So this is about MTP or medical termination of pregnancy. Now we study about the sexual transmitted disease. Sexual transmitted disease. Sexual transmitted disease. The diseases which are transmitted by the through the sexual contact are called the sexual transmitted disease, or they are also called as venereal disease, or they are also called as reproductive tract infections. The diseases which are occurred or transmitted through the sexual contact are called the sexual transmitted diseases or venereal diseases or reproductive tract infections. The majority of bacteria or the pathogens include the bacteria, the viruses, the protozoans, the fungus or the algae that cause the STDs, sexual transmitted disease. Those are example for that. The gonorrhea is caused by Neisseria gonorrhoeae. Syphilis is caused by Trichoderma palladium. It is a spirochete. Cancroid is caused by Haemophilus duceri. And the viral disease like AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome is caused by HIV virus. Hepatitis B is caused by hepatitis B virus. Genital herpes is caused by herpes simplex virus. Genital rats is caused by human papillomavirus or the protozoal infections like vaginalis, the vaginalis is caused by Trichomonas vaginatis, or if the Giardia lamblia it causes giardiasis. Entamoeba histolytica, it causes amoebiasis. When they pass through the sexual tract, they also lead to the infections. Or the Irish like Candida albicans, which cause the candidiasis. So many bacteria, many pathogens that causes the sexual transmitted disease. Then what is the mode of infection? How the sexual transmitted diseases are transmitted? We already know the sexual transmitted diseases are transferred by several reasons. So several ways. The first is the sex or sexual contact with multiple partners or unknown partners or homosexuality, or the sharing of injection needles or surgical instruments with the infected person, the sharing the common blade with the infected person, or the blood transfusion, or mother to the baby. In all these ways, the STDs are transferred from one throat to the other person. These are called as a mode of infections. One, by homosexuality, the sex with the multiple partners. The second is the sharing of infectious injection needles or surgical instruments with the infected person, or it may be transmitted by blood, mother to the child, or using the common razor. These all these are the ways by which the sexual transmissions are transmitted. The early symptoms of STDs include itching. The early symptoms of STDs include itching, fluid discharge, swelling, and slight pain of on genitalia or through genitalia, around genitalia. These are the early symptoms of the STDs. The itching is there, the fluid is discharged with the infections of the bacteria. It may be, the discharge may be yellow in color in case of gonorrhea, or the white cheesy discharge is there in case of candidiasis. It depends on the infection. Swelling is there, burning micturition is there, because the woman male having the common urinogenital organ, so burning micturiation frequently occur, and slight pain is around the genital area. These are the earliest symptoms of the STDs. Except AIDS, hepatitis B, and herpes genital herpes, all STDs are curable if they are detected early and treated properly. Except AIDS, hepatitis B, and herpes genital herpes, all STDs are curable if they are detected early and treated properly. Sometimes these infections are asymptomatic. Unknowingly, we are unable to detect in a primary stage, or they can be detected in the later stage. It leads to the complications. If STDs are not treated early, what are the complications that occur? The first is the PID, means pelvic inflammatory disease. This is called PID. If STDs are untreated early or undetected early, it leads to the complications like PID, pelvic inflammatory disease, abortions in case of females, abortions do occur, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, even the cancers of reproductive tract, or the system. So if there is no, or if we are unable to detect STDs early that are not treated properly, that lead to the complications those are the pelvic inflammatory diseases, abortions, stillbirth, ectopic pregnancies, infertility, even the cancers may occur. Thus, the STDs should be detected, or early it should be detected, and should move to the medical practitioner and treated properly, and get diagnosed properly and treated properly. So, even though the STDs are vulnerable, it may occur to the all age people, but high number of cases are reported around 15 to 24 years old. So don't be panic. It can be preventable. STDs can be preventable. So how we have to prevent the STDs? First, avoid the sex between multiple partners and unknown partners. Always use condom during the coitus, which gives high protective rate. It gives a high protection. Third, if you feel that STDs occur, move to the medical doctor and get diagnosed and get treated early. These are the precautionary measures of the STD. One is avoid the sex between unknown partner and multiple partner. Second, always use condom during the coitus, which gives high protection. Third, if you get doubted of the STDs, move to the doctor or a physician, get treated early. So this is about the STD. Today we learned the MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, and other we learned the sexual transmitted disease. Thank you for patience listening.